welcome to the Edgerton Public Library for our Reading Adventure Club. Today I want to share with you our Reading Adventure packet and share a few book ideas for you. And this week we are celebrating the letter I, and your packet this week of course includes some instructions which begin with letter I. And we have a couple insect activities for you this week. Everybody's going to get a couple different insect stickers and some directions and materials to make a cool pencil holder. You'll also find an insect info sheet and some embossed paper, and if you look very closely you're going to see an insect on there, and we have some directions for you to make a cool picture out of that insect paper. Each week we're giving you a writing prompt, and our writing prompts this week have to do with the letter I. This might be a great week to read a book about insects. So, book in general or about a specific insect. We have lots of books about insects. Or maybe you want to read about musical instruments, A to Z. I don't think there's an instrument that starts with letter I, but you can read about instruments in general. Froggy Plays in the Band is a fun picture book that includes a lot of different instruments. And maybe you want to check out one of our read and play backpacks that includes 3 books and activity. This week might be a good one to check out the music backpack that includes 3 books and some instruments, so you can make a lot of noise at home. A reminder that we have lots of different kind of things that you can check out. Something new we have this week are these Tangram Kits. They include 4 boards. Each board has 2 sides with a different kind of puzzle that you can put together using the Tangram pieces. And those check out for 3 weeks with your library card. In our chapter book section, you'll find this classic story, The Legend of Sleepy Hollow, in Rip Van Winkle by Washington Irving. And this is a abridged version, so it's a shorter story. It even has some pictures in there. Might be nice for a dark, spooky night now that we've changed the clocks and we don't have as much daylight. You might enjoy that story. Also in our chapter book section, you may enjoy a book by Eva Ibbotson. And these are some fantasy books. If you're a Harry Potter fan, I think you'd enjoy this author. Sometimes in our library we shelve the character books as if it were the last name of the author. Sometimes they're written by a lot of different authors that work together. So Iron Man is a good example. You'll find these in the area where the author's last name is I, even though Iron Man isn't really the author. Well, we're now in the month of November, and we're going to be doing something exciting at the library. We're going to be celebrating Dinovember. And I have all these dinosaurs with me here today. They're behaving pretty well. But during the month of November, they're going to be up to some mischief in our library. And each Wednesday, we're going to share their activities on Facebook. I hope you'll also come in and pick up a packet that includes a dinosaur, a stand, and some paint, and bring that home to decorate. And then bring it back to the library so we can display it. Okay? So use your imagination, find some fun things at home to decorate the stand and the dinosaur with. Maybe you want to base it on a book character or create a scene, but help us celebrate Dinovember by decorating a dino. Okay? We have lots of books about dinos. We also have a read and play kit about dinosaurs that includes 3 books and some toy dinosaurs, but I'd ask that you don't decorate those. Okay? If you want to decorate a dino, come and pick up a kit. Okay? Well, that's it for our Reading Adventure Club this week. Thanks for joining me. I hope I see you at the library to check out some books, pick up a Reading Adventure packet, and have a great week. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.